Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the Windows 11 clock or time not syncing correctly. Start by pressing the Windows key, typing Services, and pressing Enter. In the Services window, scroll down and find Windows Time. Right-click on it and select Restart. If the service is not running, choose Start instead. After that, right-click Windows Time again and select Properties. Make sure the startup type is set to Automatic. This allows Windows to start the time service every time your computer boots. Click Apply and then click OK to save the change. If the clock still does not sync correctly, you can force Windows to connect to its time server manually. Press the Windows key, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command and press Enter. W32TM/resync. This command tells Windows to immediately synchronize its clock with the configured time server. Once the command completes successfully, restart your computer and check if the correct time is now displayed. Thanks for watching.